We're gonna have a baby. We're gonna have a baby.
Oh my God. Call me a bitch again.
We're gonna have a baby. We're gonna give Summer a heart attack. Thank God there's no other, like...
At least you had 9 months to breathe. In between baby 1 and baby 2. We're gonna have a baby.
We're gonna have a baby. Summer, reaction?
Hello. Having a baby.
Good morning, by the way.
Jesus Christ. With everything that's gone on, I started freaking out. You sounded like you were crying.
She was.
Well, actually, when I called you, I was
faking.
I was like, I don't know how to make a crying sound voice. So I didn't know what was going on. I started thinking, I was like, oh God, has something happened to Melissa? And I was like, okay, well, it might be the baby, because my mom answers the phone, and she's like, are you missing phone calls? And I said, I guess so. And I'm like,
yeah, you missed a couple.
I'm totally asleep. Let's see. I like how she thinks something's wrong with your baby. You're fine. No, and then crying. And then no, and then even worse. No, she didn't sound like she was totally okay. And then I'm sitting there going, oh shit, did something else happen? Did something happen like Brianna or something? Because of everything that's going on with her. Or something with Mom or something, I didn't know, so I'm like freaking out. And notice, I parked my car and run my ass. Yeah, I heard you running. I was like, I'm gonna have to.
I was laughing so hard when I heard her laughing, or when I heard her running, I was like,
see, and the thing is because when she called you, I was like, you have to laugh. You can't laugh, Melissa, because she keeps like smiling, and she's like, I'm gonna do like we did when it was me. I'm gonna close the door and I'm gonna be somber. I was like, you can't stop jumping, so it's not going to happen. She's gonna know something's different. It's gonna be all the same. She's gonna know it's me. And so I was like, no, I just want to. I'm like, where is she? Meet her outside. And then like as we got here, there was another black car, and she was like, is that her? And I was like, no. But I'm pretty sure I hear her. I'm going to have to sit down or I'm going to smile when she starts running up to me because I'm going to smile. So I sat down and she goes, I have to pace somberly. I
was like, I can't look at her. I will smile.
Oh my God.
I know!
You know what Ryan said right before he left? He goes, and he said something and I was like, what? And he goes, I was like, I can't. And he goes, Mommy, turn off the light. Oh. Okay.
Turn out the light.
Yeah.
There's gonna be 2 of them on her.
There's gonna be 2 on me.
Well.
1 on the outside.
Yes.
There's gonna be 2 babies.
I told her, thank God we weren't pregnant at the same time, because we would have killed each other.
Yes.
The babies would not have lived. We would have not have lived.
I had a break in between. Could I have at least made it through the labor first?
Nope.
I have to go through 1 labor first. No, I get to be freaking however many weeks. I really think I'm right now. A week and pregnant. A week. Maybe a week and a half.
I got her pregnant. With my baby magic.
Honest, Melissa.